Good morning. We have a couple objectives today. One, you know it, assemble and test those pelicans. Two, kind of an objective every day, but survive. Stephanie's back at work. We got Oak. Madeline is going to the babysitter, but Oakland and Jonah are staying home. Oakland's just staying home because she's the baby, and Daddy doesn't want to send her to the babysitter yet. And Jonah has a cough. He's getting whatever I had, I think. So we got the two kids. Solo life. Steph's at work today. I know, how could I make my wife go to work as a nurse in the middle of a pandemic?
Happy birthday.
Yeah, she needs some milk, but not quite that kind of milk, buddy. Thank you. You're awesome. Can't get any work done with this thing needing held. Yeah, it's a thing. But we did get, check it. If you guys remember last year, we sent out mugs for the Patreon backers. Not mugs, big thermoses. This year we got custom water bottles to send out just as a thank you Christmas present. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Ready or not, here I come. Found you. That is a really good spot, though. I think if you didn't have that bright yellow shirt, I wouldn't have found you. All right, I don't want to jinx it, but I've got about 10 minutes here of quiet. I assume that's when my daughter will wake up from her nap. I just got the boy situated. So let's try and get a couple of these assembled while we can. If I can get these assembled, that's pretty good. I can test pretty easily. It's the sitting down with parts for assembly that's kind of difficult sometimes. And the other pieces are in the light box. I was about to say, and I'm missing pieces. This is very important here. I need your good luck. Yes, yours. Fingers, toes, legs, arms, eyes. Cross them. First toss usually lets us know how the batch is going to be. Hopefully smooth. Son of a... That's 0 for 1. Cross them. You must not have crossed them on the first one. We need all of the karma, all the good luck. Okay, 50-50. Let's see. This is the tiebreaker. We're gonna have a good batch or a bad batch. That one's like smooth but not smooth. Maybe it's like re-twist it together, make sure it's tight. That one's good. Okay. 2 out of 3 ain't bad. Oh man, those look good spinning. I don't know if you can really see how they look. Diaper change numero 7. It's probably how we're gonna end the day. Did that come out of my mouth? That's probably how we're gonna end the day. Thanks for watching. See you again tomorrow, same time, same place.